If you are a regular gym goer, you must have noticed that most of the tried and true equipment you use at the gym is made of iron. But what if you want a more dynamic, fat-busting, full-body workout? Then I would recommend you ditch the weights and pick up some battle ropes. In today's video, we will be discussing what are battle ropes, its training benefits, and does it really help you build muscles. Battle ropes, also known as heavy ropes, are used to amplify body conditioning and strength. John Brookfield successfully developed this system in 2006. He taught the technicalities of battle ropes to special forces and Olympic wrestling teams. Canadian experts did a study, in which it reveals that 15-minute rounds of battle ropes a week can increase your maximum sit-ups by 7%, and maximum press-ups by 24% in only 4 weeks. Similarly, another study from University of Minnesota shows that 10 minutes of battle ropes workout can remarkably increase the metabolic after exercise. Integrating ropes to your routine workout provides a killer cardio exercise, which comes with other amazing aerobically focused activities. Watch this video till the end to know the nitty-gritty of battle ropes. Training benefits. While battle ropes may look overwhelming, they are a simple workout tool that can not only boost your metabolism, but also sculpt your muscles. Through this amazing workout, you can conveniently train the muscles in your abs, glutes, and back. Here are some unmatched battle ropes benefits that will certainly compel you to start employing battle rope workout. Dual force dynamic effect. Ropes have a unique quality of creating a dual force dynamic effect. This effect utilizes the force created by the rope's waves and the force of gravity to improve the human system's physiological response. This eventually leads to improved body adaptations. Enhanced mobility. Battle ropes are known to boost your range of motion. A consistent rope practice will not only enhance the movement in your shoulders, ankles, hips, and feet, but it will also accelerate the mobility in your grip. You will then feel that performing day-to-day actions have become easier. Fewer chances of injury. Since the adaptation in your body will increase, it will have significant effects on curbing any injuries. If you do not produce enough force to get off of the ground, or your nervous system does not allow for proper sequencing to get off the ground, it will be extremely hard for you to get injured. Do battle ropes build muscle? Most beginners often ask, do battle ropes build muscle? People generally need two things to build muscles: fuel and force. Enough fuel from carbohydrates and proteins intake allow for a smooth hypertrophy process to take place, and enough force to make the muscular skeletal system adjustable by laying down stronger muscle tissues. So, are the battle ropes sufficient to provide enough force for muscle building? Though battle ropes can build muscle, you cannot move the ropes around randomly. You need to use proper progressive overload, in the same way you build muscles with dumbbells and kettlebells. Just like barbell muscle building, battle ropes will also need consistent repetitions, carried out with enough volume to provide fatigue, and a muscle pump feeling. Which muscles do battle ropes work on? After watching someone make waves with battle ropes, you would certainly assume that battle ropes are great for the arms. Though the efficiency of this workout on arms cannot be denied, other muscles also get flexibility and robustness. From your hips and shoulders to your legs and feet, battle ropes stimulate everything. Here is an insightful breakdown of how a battle ropes workout for beginners can positively influence your body. Upper body dividends. It would not be an exaggeration if we were to say that the upper body gains the most benefits with battle ropes. As you create waves with your arms using the ropes, the other key parts of your body will also go into overdrive. As you try to maintain the momentum of the ropes, your chest area will also get the stimulus. Lower body dividends. While executing the battle ropes, your lower body will also do as much work as your upper body. The primary reason for this is that your lower body is responsible for maintaining your stability. In addition, doing side-to-side and back-and-forth lunges would also put a focus on your glutes, hamstrings, and quadriceps. Common mistakes with battle ropes. Undoubtedly, battle ropes are an amazing alternative to high-intensity interval training and cardio, targeting all major muscles, building strength, and burning fat. However, it is crucial not to implement this workout inexpertly in order to stay safe. You must avoid these common mistakes while doing this workout, if you truly want to endure the eternal advantages of the battle ropes. Gripping too hard. Generally, beginners like to squeeze the ends of ropes too hard. This solid grip will lead to tiring out your grip strength, thereby preventing you from targeting the muscle groups you really want to target. Therefore, hold the ropes firmly but never overdo it. It will save you from the risk of injury in the long run. Not applying variations. Not changing your battle ropes routine will make your body lethargic, and your interest in the activity will fade away. Always try to integrate new variations to your workout, in order to keep your mind and body motivated. You can apply alterations by going for longer periods of time, setting yourself up with new challenges, switching routines up, etc. Too much tension in the ropes. When there is too much tension in the ropes, or you are unfamiliar with the tools, your body will counterbalance the high muscular engagement. In a bid to release the strain in the ropes, take a step or two forward, loosen up the grip, and stand tall when you are making your waves. Pounding of the ropes on the ground. If the ropes pound on the ground every time you make a wave, it means you are a little late on the up motion. You need to practice a lot in order to synchronize your body with the movement of the ropes. Just make sure you are bringing the ropes right back up as soon as they go hit the ground. Bottom line. We hope that this video has introduced you to the fundamentals of battle ropes. Once you have mastered the basics, you can move on to more challenging and advanced battle ropes exercises. So, tell us in the comment below, have you tried battle ropes before? Which one is your favorite exercise? Until next time.